Hey guys, welcome back to How to Maximize. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove shorts from YouTube, right? So yeah, we have to just go into the YouTube mobile application here. And right now you can see there is a different section for shorts. So just click on here, and after that click on the three dots which is on bottom right side corner. Then you have to click on don't recommend this channel. Then you have to do with the same thing, don't recommend this channel, and you have to just keep doing this, right? And again you have to click on, and after that eventually there will come a time when YouTube will stop recommending you any shorts. But make sure that as soon as you get that option, never open the shorts panel once again, right? And if you open it, you will get the shorts once again. It will be keep scrolling in your YouTube, right? So this is it, guys. This is how you can just turn off the shorts from YouTube, and this is pretty easy. I hope you guys found this video really useful, and if you did, leave a comment down below. Make sure to like this video, subscribe channel, and see you guys in the next video.